Good morning. How are you today? My name is Miss Porter and I have a special guest with me today. Her name is Autumn. Autumn, can you say hi to everyone? Good. A wave is fine. She's a little shy, but I'm so happy that she came to join me and Pete the cat in our class today. So we're going to sing some songs. I'm so glad to see you again, see you again, see you again. I'm so glad to see you again. Welcome to Circle Time. I'm so glad to see you again, see you again, see you again. I'm so glad to see you again. Welcome to Circle Time. And welcome to Circle Time Kids Club. I am so glad. We are so glad. Aren't we glad, Autumn? We are so glad to see you today. So our next song, what you want to sing, Autumn? Let's sing Hello, How Are You? Hello, how are you? Wave, Autumn. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hope you're feeling fine. I'm fine. How about you? I'm fine. How about you? We're fine. How about you? Hope you're feeling fine. Did you like that song? What about you, Pete? Did you like that song? Okay, let's sing another song. I'm a little teapot, short and spout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Just tip me over and pour me out. Let's sing that again. And this time we're going to sing it the correct way. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Just tip me over and pour me out. Okay, let's give that a hand, Autumn. Let's clap. Good job, Autumn. Okay, we have another song. Let's sing, let's sing about our dog. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Go clap, Autumn. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Go. Very good. Autumn, you did that good. We're going to sing it one more time. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Go. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Go. Very good, Autumn. Good job, Pete. All right. Now we're going to sing another one song. Okay, let's sing about spiders. The itsy bitsy spider, good Autumn, ran up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider ran down the spout again. Good job, Autumn! Yay! All right, we're going to sing one more song. What do you want to sing, Autumn? You gotta come up with a song. All right, I have a song. Let's sing.
If you're happy, you know.
There's so many songs to sing. Let's sing the rainbow song. Red and yellow and green and blue, purple and orange too. You can sing a rainbow, a pretty rainbow, a pretty rainbow too. Red and yellow and green and blue, purple and orange too. You can sing a rainbow, A pretty rainbow, a pretty rainbow too. That's our rainbow. Very good. Yay. We did it. Well, I hope you enjoyed our songs. Thank you for watching. See you later. Wave bye-bye, Autumn.
My name is Cornelia. Welcome to Mihai Click Club. I'm gonna say my ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I'm gonna count in Spanish. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, 11, 10. Hello, boys and girls. Today I'm gonna show you how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday to you. Now I'm going to count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good, boys and girls. See you next time in Mihai Tip Club. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
My name is Miss Porter, and we are going to go over some alphabets and phonics. Now, when I do this, this means to repeat after me. And I would do this, I'm listening for you to repeat after me. So I know I can't really hear you, but we're going to pretend, okay? So our first letter is A. A is for apple. B is for bird. C is for cat. D is for duck. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for goat. H is for horse. I is for igloo. J is for jug. K is for kite. L is for leaf. M, monkey. N, nest. O, octopus. P, pumpkin. Q, queen. R, rabbit. S, skunk. T, turtle. U, umbrella. V, Valentine. W, watermelon. X, X-ray. Y, yarn. Z, zebra. Whew, that was a lot. Those are a lot of alphabets. So now we're going to do some phonics. Can you repeat after me, boys and girls? A is for apple. A, A, A. Very good. Good job. B is for bird. B, B, B. Very good. Good job. C is for cat. K, K, K. Very good. D is for duck. Duh, duh, duh. Good job. E, elephant. Very good. Yay, you did very good. So, you get a thumbs up and a heart. Thank you for visiting with me today. We're going to be doing some more learning techniques. I'm going to let you go get you some refreshments. And I hope you come back to visit with Knee High Connections again. Bye-bye.